taken delivery of a new 3-piece rattan garden furniture set, so I thought I'd show you how to put it together because these things seem to have a fairly standard design, and also give it a bit of a review at the same time. We were looking to buy some new garden furniture and we were then kindly offered this item by Rattantree, so I thought we might as well give it a go. This particular model currently retails at around £160, so it's at the cheaper end of the garden furniture market, partly because it is flat pack, so you have to build it yourself. So I will give a bit of insight into what we think of the product quality, as well as taking you through this 3-piece rattan patio furniture assembly process. In terms of what comes in the box, we have the instructions, the screws, which are 3.5 centimetres long, and the washers to go with the screws, and then the parts of the furniture themselves. Now, I would recommend starting by categorising all of the parts, so put them into the individual chairs and the table, etc. Now, a few points before you get started assembling your rattan furniture. It's useful to have an electric drill handy and the right drill bit if possible, as this will make the whole process a bit less laborious. But it's totally possible to do this without one, which is actually what I'm going to show in this video. Now, one of the biggest challenges with this kind of project is getting the furniture level. There's few things more annoying than wonky tables and chairs, so it's really important to get this right. The key thing is only to screw the screws in halfway initially, and then that gives you the capacity to just adjust everything at the end and make sure it's tickety-boo. Once you're happy that it's flat, you can tighten the screws completely. If it's not quite flat, just wiggle the parts around until you reach a point where they are. We actually found that we didn't need to do this, which was quite a good reflection on the product's quality. When it comes to building the table, put the glass to one side. It is toughened glass in this model, which means it should be more robust. However, you do still need to take care with it. Then you just go through the same process for assembling the table as you did for the chairs, and you can pop the glass on at the end. I actually found the table was the easiest thing to assemble. In terms of the quality of the product, we had one washer that was misshaped, but otherwise everything was perfect and the set was complete. So no real criticism from that perspective. It didn't take too long to assemble, so you could potentially even take it down and put it away for the winter if you wanted to, because obviously a downside of the fact that it's lighter in weight is that it can then get blown around a bit in bad weather. We already lost one of our cushions into the neighbour's garden, so we're now remembering to take the cushions indoors every evening, which is good practice anyway, of course. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, as always, and please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Feel free to add your own tips and insights in the comments down below, and let me know what you think of the furniture. Do you like it? Do you think it's a bit naff? Would you have it in your garden? Let me know. And also please subscribe and hit the bell notification button, as I would love to see you again very soon. Take care and bye bye for now.